Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line butterfly. This is kind of like a stained glass cutout. And I'm going to go in first and base coat my butterfly's body in the color Limeade. And all the paint I'm using in this video is Dixie Belle chalk paint. And you can purchase the paint, brushes, and cutout that I'm using in this video on buildacross.com. Now I'm going to go in and map out all of my sections, and I'll be using the color Amethyst, Lucky Lavender, the Gulf, and Peacock for that. Once I map those out, I will go in and fill them in. And then once I'm done filling them in, I will go in with a number 4 round and some black paint, and I prefer to use the Apple Barrel acrylic paint when I use black because it is just a runnier paint and it goes a little bit smoother whenever I'm doing outlines. Once I'm done outlining my butterfly's body, I'm going to go in with some of the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. And I'll continue to use that number 4 round. I'll just rinse it off or wipe it off with a baby wipe. And then once I'm done highlighting, my project will be complete. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.